So you know when you're ready to go out, okay? You're looking fresh, you know what kicks you're gonna wear, they're gonna be clean, and then you know you've got to drive. And the worst thing about driving is that you've got to avoid that dirty mark where you get on the heel of your kicks. So you know what I do? I use my beaters. I've got some driving shoes which I use all the time. I will get to the place and I will change my shoes. I have no shame in that because I don't want my shoes looking like this. No. I want them looking fresh like this. Now I can hear you saying, Pat, put in a carry bag, put in a boot, put in a passenger seat. What haven't you got passenger? But I found something, and this is for all of you. You can get on this, and this is the best thing what's happened to sneakers. It is the one, it's not big, and you need to just watch this now. Like I said to you, before I get into the product, let me just say, welcome back everyone who's subscribed and liked my channel and commented and whatever. Thanks for coming back. For those new to the channel, my name is Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers and training related stuff. I try and basically give you as much information as I can before you go out and buy the trainers so you know what you're getting when you're buying them. I also do kick related stuff as well. I've got an episode what comes out every Sunday called Week Check, which I give you the upcoming drops for the next 7 days. So if you want to know what's coming up in the next 7 days, you want to cop or not cop, check out that video as well. You have to subscribe, you have to hit the notification bell so you know when those videos are coming up. And if this video gives you context, again, hit the like button anyway. But you saw the boot, you saw my issue, but this is a savior. It's a sneaker bag for just a pair of sneakers. It's not too big, look at it. It's not a big duffel bag where you carry 4 or 5 and it feels like your whole boot. It's just neat. Let me get into it. This is from ShoeStack. It's a nice little travel bag. It carries 1 pair of trainers in it. It's got 2 pockets on the side so you can put all different things on there. Zips, as you can see. On the back, it's got another pocket, a zip. You can put passport or something in there. And what it also has is a little sleeve. You can see there. So you can put it on your suitcase, on the handle, and just pull your suitcase around. It's a neat little carry-on bag, and in my case, a neat little bag to put my trainers in the boot for when I get to where I want to go to. If you open it up, it's got a big tongue or lip, opens up. ShoeStack have thrown in some ShoeStack wipes. You can get these on the website, so have a look at there. Really good, 1 wipe. But what happens is, you get the divider. It's not attached inside, obviously, because it comes flat packed when it's thing. So you've got the Velcro at the bottom, Velcro at the top, and Velcro in the middle. You'll see the Velcro inside the bag, so you literally just line it up and connect. There we go. And just at the top. And if you're worried about sizing, don't worry about that. I'm a size 12 and my kicks fit in it easy. Let me show you, hold on. Nice clean Jordans. There you go. In, no issues. Zip it up. My kicks are protected from my dirty boot or just anywhere. Going on a plane, I can just have these with me rather than in my suitcase where they get mashed up. I know they do. I've got to say, inside the lip or the fill, you've also got a nice little web in here where you can put the wipes if you want to. Close that, zip that up. There you go, good to go. The whole bag is padded as well. It's got padding on the side, padding on the front and on the back. So it's quite insulated and you know your train's just gonna not get beaten up. There you go, nice little accessory, which I know you're gonna need, because who doesn't need a bag to carry the kicks in when they're going out? If you're going out, going abroad, those ones where you do not want to put in your bag for your luggage to go missing, this is what you need. Not too big, nice little hand luggage, weighs nothing, even with your trainers in it, and you can put other bits in there as well. If you need to get, well, I want to say if you need, when you want to purchase this, because I know you're going to want to purchase this, go on ShoeStack, go on their online site. If you need a discount, hit up ACS Sneakers, SWO Podcast, and Life of Broski. I know they've all got discount codes, so you could probably get, I think it's 10% off. 10%, it helps. First new purchase, 10%, it helps. Go on there, I'll leave the links below. Choose whichever one you want. They can help you out. And go and get yourself what you need in your life right now. Trust me. So that's me. I'm Patrick T. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell, and I'm gone. Peace.